Hi guys! In this tutorial, I show you how to create pixel art in Illustrator. This will be a very easy and fast way to pixelate any image. Let's begin. First, we have to place our image to the artboard. So go to File and choose Place. Select your picture and click Place. I have here a PNG image of few animals' head. Now we need to rasterize the picture. So select Image, go to Object, Rasterize. You don't have to change anything here, just click OK. Make sure the image is 100 pixels wide. If it's not, go here and change to 100 pixels. Proportion button has to be enabled. Now go to Object and choose Create Object Mosaic. Number of tiles set to 75 and click Use Ratio. Illustrator will set the value of the other side. Always use ratio if your picture is not a square. Don't change anything more and click OK. Now you have to wait a while. It depends on the speed of your computer. We received a vector image cut into small squares. I move this vector image here. Now you can zoom in a bit and see the results. If you like it, you can skip this part of the video and go to the final stage. In the description you can find time reference to click. I'm quite happy with the result, but I will show you how to improve the final vector. The most I like the panda picture, so I choose it to correct. I will use direct selection tool and select the panda's head. Edit, cut, edit, paste, right click, group. Now I delete unnecessary objects. Make sure object is selected and choose Live Paint Bucket. Look for Shape Builder tool, click and hold until the option window appears, and click Live Paint Bucket. Click somewhere in the picture. Now Live Paint is active. Press Alt to get color sample. I will take black from the ear of a panda and correct the picture. Just click on square you like to correct. If you want to color several squares at once, just click, hold, and drag. If you make a mistake, just press Alt and get a sample of the color from the background, and then paint the square. Improve the image until you get the desired effect. I like what I got. Let's move to the last stage of the tutorial. Whole image has to be selected. Go to Object, Expand. We need to remove background now. To do this, we will use Magic Wand tool. Double-click on it If you don't see the options, expand the panel here. Tolerance set to 0. It means that Magic Wand will only select the color you want to be selected, not similar one. Now click on Background and press Delete on keyboard. If you need to correct something, just use Color Sampler. Get the color sample and change fill color of the square. You can delete unnecessary squares. Use Direct Selection tool, select it, and press Delete on keyboard. This one gap here we fill later. We get a vector made of many squares. You can leave it like this or combine colors into a large path. We use the Pathfinder tool for this. If you don't see Pathfinder window, just go to Window and look for Pathfinder. First, choose Magic Wand tool and select color you want. It may happen that the color we obtain is similar but not the same. Then we can increase the Magic Wand tolerance. I'll try set 4 and select again. Now it's okay. Click Unite on Pathfinder window. I'll do the same with ears and eyes and all panda's head. When you go to layers, you can see we have now nice grouped paths. We get some compound paths here. When I move this, you can see the gap. If you want to fix it, go to Pathfinder and click Merge and then Add. The order of the object may change after this operation. Now you can reorder paths. Head to the back and this one here. It's okay now. So this is it, pixel art from image. Next time I show you how to make pixel art from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like a video and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Press the bell if you want to receive notification about my new tutorials.